All right, so I'm here with Tal Millican with Multi-Tork Tools and Pool Service Products. How you doing, man?
Doing good.
Good, good.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, so let's take a look at some of your products.
Okay, well, as you know, it all started with this little number right here. I started my service about 24 years ago, and it probably took me 24 seconds to get really fed up with this.
Yes.
And this one little socket pretty much tells the whole story in and out that quickly.
That's awesome.
And from there, I just branched out and started making more products, more sockets. This is probably the single most popular selling set. This is our 3-piece value pack.
Okay.
And then from there, we just started doing other things, other sockets, other equipment. The great thing about coming to the show is I get lots of ideas from pool techs that come to us with an issue that's not only their issue, but it's an industry-wide issue.
Sure. And
we get really interested in it if no one else has come up with a solution for it. So we research it, and if I can afford to make a prototype, I'll make a prototype, and then I send it out to people in the field, and if they like it, then we pursue actual production.
they have very cool products and very good solutions for a lot of everyday issues.
This is one of my newer products. This is the button hook drain plug wrench. Works on all of the 7 most popular drain plugs. And this little pin tear plug, as most of your viewers know, is really difficult to get to.
Yes.
So what I did, Eric, is I came up with Button Hook Junior. This is a baby brother to the wrench. It's basically its own socket. You just slip it onto that pin tear plug and it ratchets it.
Nice, nice, nice.
I've also, this is a new socket that I take delivery on in about 30 days. This is the MT225.
Mm-hmm.
It has, as most of my sockets do, it has a dual purpose. It has 4 prongs that work on the what's called the CMP Johnson plug. This is,
oh yeah, I've seen those.
This is sort of like what the what I call the flush plug does. You don't see a lot of these down in this part of the country, but they're very big up in the Northeast.
Okay.
But the other end is pretty much used everywhere. This is the clamp ring used on most floor sweep valve control systems.
Mm-hmm.
And this socket is cone shaped, so the band doesn't interfere with you taking the nut off. This hole is to put a screwdriver in so you can break it loose and then you can twist it off by hand.
Nice, nice.
Or if you've got a 3/8 drive bit with a drill, it'll just spin it right off.
Cool.
When you try to get them to expand big enough, they explode.
Now, I'm a huge, I love this tool. Why don't you explain what that is?
This is Chlorinator, Eric, and thanks for asking. This is my promo poster. It works on so many items that I can't really get it all on the table. It's hard enough getting all the sockets that we now make on the table.
Okay.
But this is 10% glass-filled nylon. It weighs probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 8 or 9 ounces, and all the metal is stainless steel and anodized aluminum.
Okay.
This is the travel mode. The handle swings out and locks into place. Now we have a tool.
Now you have some leverage too.
Exactly. These 2 tabs work on the Hayward CL200. These 2 slots under the tabs work on the Rainbow 300-320 series. And this chamber right here works on all of this equipment plus about 30 other pieces of equipment.
And what I see here, all these are pain in the butts to get off when they're seized on, you know?
Exactly. Now, the handle is a 4-way handle. This is the normal operating position, but if you're in a position to where once you break that piece of equipment loose, you're going to smash your hand into something, you can rotate that handle 90 degrees and you still got some leverage, or vice versa. If you're trying to get a CL200 or a Rainbow off, you've still got a 90-degree push this way, and then lock it up and you're good to go.
So not only is it very versatile, but you've actually thought about the Pool Service Pro's hands.
Well,
because I know you've busted your hands a couple times.
Lost a lot of DNA, Eric. A lot of DNA.
That's funny.
Now, this is Squeeger. This is a new product as well. All of my pools down here in Florida during hurricane season, as you know, constantly being drained, and I'm always having to walk that hose out to get the water out. This makes it a little easier on my hands. It's a lot cleaner and a lot drier. Basically, you walk this back up to the pump, slip your hose right over the handle, and then walk your way to a clean, dry hose, and then roll it up and you're good to go.
Now that's huge, because when you roll these hoses up, your hands are filthy afterwards, and you're trying to figure out how to clean them off and all that stuff.
Yeah, you never know what's been on that hose. This is also a new product, Eric. This is called Blanket Buddy.
Okay.
This basically connects to any standard pool pole, and you can use it to take debris and leaves off of a solar blanket or a safety cover.
Oh.
This is very soft material, so you won't rip into those bubble blankets.
Yeah, it has a nice radius on it.
Yeah, exactly. And if you use it with what's called a pole pivot, you can cock it at 90 degrees and it'll take debris out of, you can clean rain gutters with it.
Oh, nice. That's an extra service you can give your clients.
And that's about all the news is print to fit to print. All the news is fit to swim in for my corner of the table this year, Eric. But stick
Awesome.
around.
Yeah, I appreciate all the info.
That was my pleasure.
Awesome, thank you.
You bet.
So that is Multi-Tork Tools and Pool Service Products here at the Under the Sun Expo.
Yeah, come see us.